free and legal vintage illustrations for commercial use. So come over to this website, which is called Heritage Type Co. Its domain name is heritagetype.com. Now once you're over here on this website, this is how it will look like. Now over here, what I want you guys to do is you can just simply enter in your email and get started. But I want to show you guys a little bit about this website so you guys know that what you're dealing with and the types of illustrations that you are getting are really legit. So this is how the website looks like. Now if we scroll down below, we have a lot of different packs, we have a lot of different bundles. So we have this bare bones and skull creator. Now as you can see over here in the preview, this person has made over 130 elements, including different skulls, banners, hairs, hats, additional items, templates, and much more. And over here in this one, this is the wild animals illustration set. Now this one includes hand-drawn animal illustrations for dark and light backgrounds, 15 animal silhouettes, and vectors and transparent PNG format. And they are also in transparent PNG format. Now finding silhouettes are really difficult because they are really rare, and trying to create them is really difficult. And if you do manage to find some, there's a chance that they aren't going to be free. So this is an amazing website, and as you can see, it has a lot of different and amazing bundles. So let's just go ahead and check this one out. Now I know it's $99, but I will show you guys the free version in a minute. I just want to show you guys that the things that you are getting is the real deal. So we click on these images over here. As you can see, these are really nice illustrations. So we have a lot of different variations of skulls. So we have the skull with the snake coming out of it, the one with the Viking helmet or the Valhalla helmet, the one with the satanic rituals, the pirate, the devil. We have the Grim Reaper skull as well. We have a lot of different skulls, and they all look really nice. So let's just check out this image over here. This is the hair and beard and eyes version of the skulls, and they also look really high quality, and they also have the license for commercial use. And if we scroll down below, these are the brands that are using their products. So we have Harley Davidson's, we have Netflix, we have Milka, we have Ravensburger, and we have Penguin Random Homes Children. So as you can see, this website is very legit, and they also are giving a 30 days money back guarantee. So if you do purchase a product and you don't like it, you can just simply refund it and then buy another one in its place. So let's just go back to home, and over here, as you can see, we can also have fonts. So let's just go ahead and check out fonts. And as you can see, these are some of the vintage and old school and retro fonts. Now I really enjoy these types of fonts as well. Now if you scroll down at the top, this is the one that I like really most. This one gives me the Red Dead Redemption vibes. I really like this vintage font bundle. So let's just go ahead and click on it and check that one out as well. As you can see, this font bundle looks really nice. So if you're trying to make a project on vintage arts and vintage videos, well, this font will look perfect because it gives us the 70s vibes as well. And if we scroll down below, we have different types of it. So we have the Brilliant, we have the Black River, we have a lot of different sizes and shapes of fonts. And over here, the vintage font bundle contains 6 vintage font, 36 ornamental frames, 200 ornamental elements, which is AI, PSD, PDF, PNG, and Affinity, 25 logos and layout templates. This also requires you to have an Adobe Illustrator CS or higher, and botanical photos and extra paper textures and Photoshop effects as well. So as you can see, this website, it is really legit, and it is very premium, guys. So now it's time for us to get to the main part of this video, which is called the free section. Now, you know I love free things, and this website has a free section where we can get premium items such as this one over here for absolutely free. So come over to at the top and you'll see the free downloads section. So click on free downloads, and over here, this is where we get our free vectors, PNGs, and illustrations. So as you can see, these also look very nice and professional. Now, admittedly, these don't look as nice as the premium ones, but they're not like bad as well. So as you can see, we have a lot of different options over here. So we have loving mothers, we have shades of colors, we have cat content, we have Mother's Days, we have combat sports, flamingos and friends, we have farm life, we have hands holding stuff, we have a lot of different packs over here, guys. So let's just go ahead and choose a pack, and I'll show you how you can check it out if it is actually legit. So just scroll around until you find a pack that you like. Now I really like this farm life number 4, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. So as you can see over here, we are getting 8 illustrations in PNG and vector format, and they are free to use in commercial projects. So that means that no matter how we use them, where we use them, they will never get a copyright strike or get you in infringement issues. So, well, how do you download that? Well, to download this pack, all you have to do is click on download, and over here it is going to redirect you to a page, and over there simply click on download. And as you can see, this pack is about 5.5 MB size, so it is a very high quality pack. Simply click on start download, and then just simply click on open, and this is the pack that we have downloaded. Now if we look at it, we have basically 3 files. We have 2 folders and a files. Now this is very nice. They included the license to this pack as well. So basically, if you ever happen to have a copyright infringement issues, you can just simply show them this license. Of course you won't ever need to, because that won't happen, but just in case, you can have that. Always hope for the best and prepare for the worst, guys. Remember that. That is a very good saying. I don't know who said it, but it is a very good saying. So you have this license over here. So if you click on it, this is what the license says. So basically, they have carefully selected the content of their heritage library and only use the resources that they believe are in public domain and therefore copyright free and available to everyone with a CC0 license. In general, this means you are allowed to use the resources in any personal and commercial projects for yourself or for your clients. You may modify the resources according to your requirements and including them in works such as applications, prints, materials, websites, and others. Basically, these are copyright-free images that they find online, and then they make a pack and then they just give it out for free, but you might encounter a copyright infringement issue. So they also gave you this license from Heritage Type Co. So you can just simply show them this, and then your copyright issue will be resolved. So let's just click on the PNGs. Let's just check out the PNGs first. So if I double click on this image, so as you can see, there is practically no background, and this image looks really incredible. So if I zoom in, it still isn't, losing its quality. It is still very sharp, which means that it is of high quality. Let me just zoom in a little bit further in. I don't know how much I've zoomed in, but it is still not losing its sharpness. It is still very clean. Now I think I'm about 100% inside, and it's still looking really sharp, guys. So you can see that the quality that they provide is very top notch. So let's just go ahead and check this one out. And this one also looks very nice and very high quality as well. So now you guys know that this is no joke. Heritage Co isn't playing around, isn't messing around. Their stuff is legit and is of the highest quality. So another thing that I wanted to tell you guys about Heritage Co is their affiliate program. So if we come back to their website, at the top right here, we will see we have the option of more, and down below we will see we have the affiliates. So click on affiliates, and over here you can basically earn money through their affiliate program. So basically all you have to do is register as an affiliate. Click below to fill out this short online application. So click on this button to become an affiliate. Promote Heritage Type Co. Link Heritage Type from your website, social channels, newsletters, or social medias, or wherever you want, and then just simply sit back, relax, and earn up to 30% in commission when new customers you refer makes a purchase. So basically what that means is that any person that you have referred to and that person likes a pack or a bundle and he or she buys that pack or bundle, you will get 30% of the commission, and guys, which I think is very awesome. And you can also create illustrations as well for Heritage Co. So simply come over to more and click on tutorials, and over here they're basically telling you how you can edit free heritage type illustrations and how you can design a vintage brand logo. So you can just come over here and learn how you can create one for yourself as well, and then you can just sign up as a creator or a seller and you will be able to earn even more. So that was a small tip from me to you guys. So basically I just wanted to tell you guys about this website where you can find vintage illustrations and logos and how you can use them in commercials as well. But now you also know that you can create one yourself and you can sell them onto their website, and you now even know their affiliate programs through which you can earn 30% of in commission, which I think is a lot. Let's just say that someone buys 2 packs, which is like $100, and then 30%, that's just like $30 right then and there. That's easy money, guys. So what are you guys waiting for? Just simply come over to this website, use its features, use its free downloads, or buy the packs, whichever one you think is the best, and then just simply sign up to their affiliate, and then just share that link to your friends and family members and tell them about it. Spread the word, and then just start earning money, guys. It's just that simple. So if you have any other questions related to this website or this video, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to get back to them as soon as possible. And having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the post notification, guys. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.